Good morning, welcome back to the channel. It's terribly windy here in the UK at the moment. It's around the 21st of December, I think it is. I need to make some kind of cover to go on the door, because when we're cooking, because when we're cooking and I've got the curtain across, it's it's splashing up on it, it's making the curtain mucky, so I want some kind of blind to go on there when we're cooking. The other thing is I need to finish off the diesel heater. There's a few little bits to finish off and a few alterations. There was a couple of people mentioned that I've got the exhaust going under the van and it should be pointing away from the van, so sadly I'm going to have to get down underneath, take it off and point it the other way, which isn't going to be fun, especially in this weather. Anyway, let's crack on. Right, I'm back under the van. Don't know whether you can hear me or not because of the wind, but I need to take this off, straighten it out. It's not on the other side, so it's blown out. Fasten this somehow there. Somehow, don't know how yet. I'll come back to you. Right, so that's just going to bolt onto there, and that is going to fit snugly into there. There's a hole there. Bring it round. That should be fine. Yeah, that'll be good, won't it? Right, let's do it. It's not easy. But, you know, we're getting there. I'm a bit scared of the wind, actually. There we go. Right, so some screw holes into there. Let's get that bolted on there. Bob's your uncle, Fanny's your Andy. Just need to get a drill through there. What? It's not touching it. Blunt drill bit. Right, no good. Need another one. Oh god. I've run out of energy. Oh, can you see the van moving about? That's pretty worrying. Right, I'll give another one in there. Apart from I can't find the screws now. They've probably blown away in the 45 miles an hour winds. What the hell was that? I'm just going to try get one of these self-tapping bolty things in there. I'm not entirely sure whether it's snapped or just went inside the drill. There you go. Job done. Right, get me out of this van before it falls on me. Come on. Come on. Right, I've been and had some lunch, warmed up a little bit. Just a couple of bits to finish off on the diesel heater, which I never done. So it's just really fastening on, bring the camera in a bit closer. It's just fastening these bits on, you know, the pipe onto the diesel heater itself. There you go, that's nice and tight. And now in the other side we have to decide where it's going to go. Well, obviously it's going to go there, so need to get this out the way, drill a hole in there, And where's my piece gone? There it is. Then we're just going to fasten this piece on the outside through there. Now, a couple of points. I thought the whole idea of this was that it would turn around like that. Now, if I fasten the Jubilee clip on, it's not going to be able to turn around. So I'm thinking maybe if I just put the Jubilee clip on, but not too tight, it'll still be able to turn that round, so we can point it in different directions wherever we want to warm the van up. I don't know. Let's do it. Let's do it! Right, I've measured how high it wants to be up. It is about there. So I'm now going to draw around it. There you go, something like that. Now I haven't got a hole cutter that size, so I'm just going to drill a hole through it and I'm going to go around carefully with the jigsaw and making sure I don't cut through any of the wires on the inside. Right, just drilling a hole so we can get a starter for the jigsaw. I think there will do. I might put a couple of other holes in. Jigsaw! Don't forget your ear protection, by the way. Have you spotted the problem now? Jigsaw won't fit in there. Oh dear. Ah. Ooh. Well, might do if I come down like that. Right, try this way first. Well, the problem is you can't really see where you're cutting. No wires. Can't see. What was that? Nah, no good. I've gone for the drilling it all the way around method. Hopefully I haven't gone outside the lines. Anyway, you get the idea. Right, I've got the hole somewhat near and I've sanded it down a little bit. So we just need to squeeze that in. It's nice and tight. Go on, you will go in. There you go. Nice and tight. Now, remember when I was talking about how is this going to turn round if I've got the Jubilee clip tight and I was going to leave it slack? Well, don't leave it slack because that is very tight in the hole and the whole thing's not moving. Can you see how the outer rim is stationary? But the inside is moving. So I was just being stupid. So yes, you do fasten the Jubilee clip up nice and tight. Right, let's do that. There you go, that's nice and tight. And nice and tight on this side as well. So they're not going anywhere. Brilliant. Right, I'm just trying to work out where to put the controller. Said controller. And apparently it's the thermostat as well, which I thought it was, but I've just had it confirmed it is. So it doesn't want to go near the... I was going to put it down there. Near there, which would be stupid, wouldn't it really? So now I've decided it's going to go up here, somewhere up here. So I'm just taking these off. Said screws, unscrewed it a bit, going to tuck it behind there and bring it out somewhere up there, I think. Now we do have one slight problem, don't we? How's that? It's just going to fit behind there when, if you look inside, there isn't a gap for it. And then it's trying not to screw through the wire as well. I don't know whether you can see inside of there, but if we'd had the soft insulation, it would have been all right to push that into. But no, of course, that's the solid insulation, isn't it? Of course it is. Right, I've managed to angle it into a position, and there was a little bit of a gap where I could get the connection in behind, so I'm thinking it's just going to be about there. Hopefully this light doesn't give off too much heat. We don't always have them on anyway, and you know, that won't affect the thermostat. So I'm just going to screw that back on, making sure the wire doesn't come behind as I'm screwing it on. Brenda's going to have to pay up there again. Yeah. Hey ho, can't bake a cake without breaking eggs and all that carry on. Well, I can't anyway. Obviously that'll be fastened up there. So just in case you don't know, the controller panel just clips out of the backing. And just fasten that onto the wall with a couple of screws, or the option of 6 screws if you want that. And then that'll just pop straight back in. Alright, we'll just pop that in. There we go. It looks wonky. Does it? Does it look wonky? Come on. Come on. So just eyeballing it in. That looks alright to me. That'll do. So as far as I know, that's the diesel heater finished. Now I'm going to get on with the little blind thing, the little window cover. Right, let's do it. Nice and warm, that. Lots of wasted heat. Right, so we're just putting this thing up. Sorting out where the stickers are going to go. This is Martin.
Where about are you putting yours, right near the end?
Just that about there. So apparently you just poke a hole through them, and then you screw that, well, you just push it through, and then screw that on the back. That way, I would imagine. Just like that. And it'll be perfect. What did you poke a hole in?
A pen, just for straight through. That one.
We'll just go through. So there you go, easy as that. Hopefully that sticks on. Oh, it's fell off yours, man. You haven't done it right. There you go. Oh, no, the rubbish.
Right.
Well, they're just coming up. Are you gonna?
You put one in the middle. Oh, just down below.
Well, they're falling off the shape.
What? That's rubbish.
I don't think it's sticking on my side, is because I've got it sticking on the black part, and when you feel the black part, it's not as smooth as the glass. So I'm going to bring it down a little bit further. I'm going to put another one. Put a few in there on the black bit. There. We've decided 5 is enough, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a nice blue spot where I'll put the original one. So what we need to do is try the door, make sure it doesn't get ripped off when we open the door. It's perfect. What it'll have to do. Have you noticed?
No, don't.
Have you noticed Brenda's new teeth?
No.
Come on, no, she can't be doing this. Have you noticed in previous videos she's always going like this or turning away? But she's got lovely big massive show them your big white teeth. All nice and straight. They're not false teeth, they're her own teeth. They're all,
well,
she's still got her own teeth, you know.
I've got retainers in at the moment. Oh, where they are.
Oh, have you got the plastic? Oh yeah,
yes.
She's got the plastic retainers in, but
I've got a cover on.
Yeah, you've got a cover on, but yeah, look good, don't they? All right, thanks, Josh.
Yeah.
Now the diesel heater, the instructions do tell you that you've got to pair up the remote control, but I've just used it and pointed to it, and it's burst into life, and it's, as we speak, blasting lovely warm air out, and that's just on the lowest setting, so all's looking good. So that's the diesel heater done. We've got the new cover on the window, and my last job was to fit this new CO2 monitor, but apparently you don't have to fasten it to the wall. I was just going to pop it up there, but it's freestanding, so I thought, oh well, we can just move it around the van and that will be all right that way, no problemo. Anyway, all you do is put 2 batteries in the back, pretty damn easy. I got this one from Screwfix. It was about 17 quid, something like that. I've read the instructions and it does say not suitable for RVs, but I don't know what the difference is between being in a kitchen in a house and being in the back of a van. Maybe it's too sensitive. I don't know. We'll find out, won't we? I'd rather it be too sensitive than not, so at least we'll know. Anyway, that's it for now. So hope you've enjoyed it. Give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to give us a subscribe. It's nice and free, and we will catch you next time. We're going away, you know. Keep a lookout for that video. Bye bye now, and Merry Christmas.